Dave here with Limitless Brave. For the past 17 years, I've been mentoring men to help them shift their mindsets so that they can shift their world. Today's video is going to be a little bit different as I'm preparing for an international trip to Bucharest, Romania to go teach 6 different workshops. And I'm going to take you along and I'm going to show you how I travel and why I travel the way I do. We're going to be talking about clothing choice. We're going to be talking about my favorite OGO 9600 bag and class of flight. So let's get into it. The OGO 9600, this thing is a beast. Look at these wheels. Neanderthals at the airport haven't broken them yet. This has a full plastic bottom. Lots of impact protection, huge bag, lots of storage. This is a camera tripod, and I've got another lighting tripod here. There'll be another lighting tripod that goes in here. And I use my jeans as kind of a protection, impact protection against these like more sensitive things that I carry with me. I carry a lot of luggage in this bag. Don't forget your air tag, guys. You want air tags in your luggage these days because the airlines do not give a shit. So my only problem with this OGO bag is they have these shitty die-cast zipper pulls. You can see one's already broken. The zippers themselves are really strong. And here's the other one that was broken. So that's my only complaint with this bag, which is an important complaint because how do you get in your bag if your zippers are broken? All right, I just want to say that I'm not sponsored by OGO. I love that bag. I paid for it. It's like 280 bucks. I don't know if they still make it or not. Hopefully if they do, they've fixed those shitty zippers. These jeans I wear in high pickpocket areas because there's lots of hidden compartments and zippers in here. So depending where you go, I'm going to Europe. I've been in Europe a lot. There's a lot of pickpocketing, a lot of petty theft. So things are more fitted and a little bit more styled toward Europe. But the big American thing is baseball cap. This is one of my sponsors, Nivis. This is a ski company, but these guys make really cool hats and they have a really nice kind of city jacket that's waterproof, super warm. That's a great one. So thanks, Nivis, for all that you do for me. Of course, we got the Doc Martens. Doc Martens are dope. All right, let's get into some of the clothes I'm taking with me. Of course, I'm taking my Woobies polo. Fortunately, you guys can't get this. It's a prototype from Woobies. These guys sponsor me as well as Nivis. Remember this company I showed you? Go check both of those guys out, nivis.com and then woobies.com. Got a classic polo here from New Denmark. This company's out of business. They did a men's line for a while. Classic polo, really cool accents on it. Classic motorcycle jacket, leather motorcycle jacket from All Saints. This thing was like $1,000 and I got it for about 400. This designer here, this is kind of almost like a waxed canvas hoodie from a Romanian designer called Vagabond. Cool, like post-apocalyptic look. Sweet zipper here. The zipper on the side like opens up when you put it on. It's kind of a cool piece. Who doesn't love a waxed jean jacket? This is from Pull and Bear in Romania. Waxed canvas. G-Star, my favorite jeans. They make this really cool jacket, canvas jacket, kind of. I really like this jacket. And then, another pair of classic jeans. And then we got this Zara kind of flannel. This is a very American pattern. So a Zara flannel keeps me warm. So, oh yeah, one more thing. This is for flying, guys. I didn't get into these until this year. These are a compression sock. If you wear these when you're flying, it's going to help prevent the swelling in your legs. So, yeah, I love these. I just started wearing them this year. Before I was just like, yeah, this is a joke. But then my buddy who owns a ski shop, he gave me these compression socks and said, hey man, just try them out. Because he's kind of a sponsor of mine as well. He always hooks me up with stuff. So he hooked me up with these. I've been flying with these, and man, what a difference. So you don't have to match your local environment, but if you want to, you can, and it sometimes keeps you from being targeted. The obligatory pre-flight filet mignon, medium rare. Look at that baby.
For further information, have a look at the safety card in your seat pocket.
Hey gents, welcome to business class. I always fly business class when I'm flying. Now, I didn't start here. I worked my way up to this. I used to fly economy. I flew the cheapest budget airlines I could because I didn't have a lot of money. And I've worked my ass off to be here. And I fly a lot. And through the years, I have found that at bare minimum, business is what's required for me to arrive at my destinations refreshed, recharged, ready to go, and to deliver the absolute best of myself to you guys who are coming to the workshops so that you get the results that you paid for. So at bare minimum, it's business class. I fly first sometimes, and I've taken over 36 private jet flights, and that is an incredible experience that'll ruin you forever. Business class, first class is a joke after you've flown on a private jet that many times. But that was a great investment I made back in the day, and that service is no longer available, unfortunately. So business or first is what I got going on right now. If it does make sense, I will charter something if I need to, but rarely does it make sense because that is a very expensive proposition. So yeah, welcome to business class. Got pillows, able to stretch out, relax, have a full lay flat bed, and I've traveled like this for many years, and this is the only way I'll travel. So I hope you aspire to fly business at bare minimum all the time, because it makes a world of difference on your destination experience. Everything's much better because you feel better, and hope to see you sitting next to me one day in business class. All right, guys, I've got another really cool thing that I do to take care of myself when I'm flying, and I'll show you that when we get to Vienna. Look at this beautiful lounge, guys. This is not in the main terminal of the airport. This is a separate VIP lounge, and this is part of the service that you get. You don't even have to go into the airport. It's beautiful, food's amazing, people are incredible, and you don't have to deal with all of the hustle and bustle at the airport. Get my own shower in between flights with this service. It's amazing. Hey gents, here we are finally in the Airbnb. This is the workshop space that I use here in Bucharest. And I live here too. So it is a great space. It's modern, it's fun. The guys like being here. It's cozy. Little bathrooms, my living quarters here. And then out here is a old museum that's being restored. Really cool. And then there's a balcony in this other room right here. So people go out and chill on that balcony at break time. So I hope you guys enjoyed this video. I hope you didn't think I was making it to show off or brag or anything like that, because I'm not. This is an aspirational video. You guys should hold yourselves to higher standards and, you know, start moving through life with a little bit more grace, a little bit more luxury, a little bit more premium experience, however you want to define it. And I've never made a video on how I travel. I've always kept that private for the most part. And I think it should be kept private because it doesn't matter how you travel. But a lot of people talk about this way of traveling. They want to experience it, they want to do it. And I say to you, aspire to live it all the time. And that takes a lot of work, a lot of dedication, a lot of changing who you are, or who you think you should be, so that you can live that way and travel and move through life that way. So again, not a braggy video. I don't know if I'll make another one ever, but I might, I don't know. Depends if you guys like this stuff or not. But yeah, and I encourage all my clients to travel that way, and some do. And I encourage them to use all my friends' services that have luxury services, like the drivers here in Bucharest. You know, my buddy owns that company, and I encourage you guys to use his service because it's an awesome service, and it's cheap for what it is. So, all right, guys, I'm out of here. Got to prepare for workshops. Got 6 over the next 5 weeks or so. So definitely going to be busy, busy, busy. Catch you in the next video.